Good morning, it's me again. I'm down in Kent doing a bit of a cultivation today. They are harvest is in and the cultivator's going round ready for get the seed in to drill the crop in. Should be a good day, a bit overcast, so I'm dodging the showers, so bear with me. I'll put the drone up already, so we'll have that in the video. But lovely tractor, this Case, I don't know the number, but it's coming up. It's a big girl, so when it comes up we'll have a look at it anyway. Thanks for coming along on my journeys. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me, and the subscription button is there. Hit that for me, it'd be great. I'm getting near 500 subscribers now. Channel's going well, but they keep knocking me for hours, so there you go. But as I say, it's coming up behind me now, and see if we can have a good shot at it. See you in a little while. Well, that didn't turn out too good, did it? It's going to come down for another pass anyway. I'm going to try and get Bill to jump out of the cab and get a chat about the machine he's got. We filmed this tractor before, but unfortunately I was using my GoPro and the SD card failed. So that was last year sometime. So let's give it another try anyway. Okay, now I'm in the cab with Bill, sheltering from the rain.
Yeah, it's a bit like that.
Yeah. So, what are we driving today then, Bill?
It is a Case 9370 or a Steiger 9370. I think Case bought out Steiger and it's sort of in the overlap year, so it's got both Steiger badges on it and Case badges.
Is that American?
It is, yeah. It's a little prairie tractor.
Okay.
It was made in Fargo, so all the little labels say on it.
Oh, okay. And what sort of horsepower are we generating here?
Yeah, it's about 370.
Oh. Quite a footprint then.
It's actually the baby in the range. They go up to 9390, I think.
Really?
I think that's 420, and the middle one's about 390.
Okay.
Not wholly sure, to be honest.
Is that one of your favourite tractors?
Yeah, I suppose it is. In terms of size and getting the job done, we used to do it with like a Magnum, like a 250 horse Magnum, the same cultivator, and that would take me a lot longer. I could pull it a lot faster than this. And it benefits from going a bit of pace because it smashes up all the clods nicely and that sort of thing. So yeah, I like the old girl, but it's not as comfy as my brand new 420 fast track with all suspension and flash arrow clouds. I'd say that's probably my favourite, the truth be known.
Really?
But this is a good old girl for pulling the cultivator. Yeah. There's not many luxuries in here though.
No?
Even the air conditioning's on its last legs.
Oh, well.
It's alright on a day like today, but the other day when it was 35, bloody hell, it was hot in here.
Yeah, I bet it was. But you know, we all get old, don't we?
Yeah.
But we're still good.
Yeah.
So we got on the back. Let's zoom out the back window. Okay. What we got driving in the back then, Bill?
That is the TopDown cultivator, made by Väderstad. It's a 4-metre one with a drill box on the back as well, but it's not actually being used at the moment.
Right. So what sort of depth are we cultivating in there?
Probably about 8 inches, something like that. Not very deep.
Just to break the ground up?
Yeah, just break ground up. And then I'll follow behind with the drill tomorrow, I expect. Okay. Whether if you catch me today, but probably tomorrow.
And what sort of acreage on this field?
This field is 16 hectares, so it's 32, but about 40 acres.
40 acres?
Yeah.
So a fair crop off it?
Yeah, a fair crop of it, yeah.
And what are we putting in this year, Bill?
We are putting all seed rape in.
Oh, because you rotated the crop because last year it was wheat, wasn't it?
Yeah, first week followed by the rape, and it's a 5-year cycle.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So, is rapeseed a good crop? They all tell me it's sort of gone downhill a little bit.
Well, yeah, but it's high risk, but there's a lot of things it can fail. Lots of reasons why it can fail, but
really,
if you do get a good crop, it can be profitable. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic! That's always good to hear from a farm point of view, isn't it? Profitable.
Well, it's not got by the slugs, and then the pigeons, and then a bit of drought.
You've got to earn a wage, though, haven't you? And
Indeed,
you've got to pay the diesel costs and the farm costs.
You've got to do something, yeah. She does chew a bit of diesel, this.
Yes, I would think it does. But you could hear her groaning, can't you? So she's pulling well, isn't it?
Oh yeah, she's pulling hard, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, to pull something like that on the back, you definitely need a big old tractor in front of it, didn't you?
Well, yeah, it's easy. It's hits a sledgehammer with a nut, crack a nut with a sledgehammer, whatever it is.
Yeah.
It's better to hit hard.
Okay.
But, it's got a 1,000 litre, a bit more than a 1,000 litre diesel tank, and that will give me about 18 hours solid work.
Oh.
So I don't know how that works out.
Does your brother make you work 18 hours then, does he?
Oh, I often do.
So who's the
we
boss?
don't quite refuel on the move yet, though, eh?
Oh. Not like the Americans.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll let you trap it. I'm going to do a bit of filming out your windscreen and out the back.
Not fair play.
And if I can put a GoPro on the cultivator itself, would be good as well.
Yeah, alright, well, we'll get back after then. We'll stop and let you off. You can do your bits.
Fantastic.
Or we stop here if you like.
Yeah, well, I'll stay in the cab just for a turnaround, just to get the viewers some sort of idea of what it looks like.
What's going on?
Yeah, I'm going to dangle it out the front if I can. You can hear that then? So, Phil, while you're there,
Yeah.
you can perhaps tell me a little bit about it then.
Well, the top down.
Yeah.
It's got the disc at the front, they go up and down on the rams. You set your depth of those. They're not very deep at the moment, and then your tines here.
So what's, from a non-farmer,
Yep.
the nibbly bits on the ends of the disc, or is that help it?
No, these little notches out here.
Yep.
They just, when it's wet, there's a bit of straw. They make sure it turns around. If it's dead smooth, sometimes they don't turn, and they just bind up. And
Okay, and what
straw will get in front of them.
and
Those
after
little
the
scallops, make sure it turns.
Okay, sorry. After the disc, we've got the tines.
Yep, there are. I think there's 17 of them or 16 of them. I'm not sure. But they're all hydraulic brake backs, so that if you hit a rock or something, they spring back.
Oh,
So it's an
reset
accumulator.
themselves.
Yeah, reset themselves. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And they've got tungsten tip jimmy jobs
and
on.
we've got another set of tines.
Yeah, another set of times. They're all staggered, so there's lots of trash. It doesn't get blocked up, it all goes through. If you had all the tines in one line, it would act like a rake and nothing would go through it, you see what I mean?
Oh, fantastic.
So that's why they're all staggered.
And these bizarre discs on the
These
back
are the
here.
levelling discs. You set those in the cab, what height they are, and it just fills in the ruts
ground?
behind the tines. The rear tines leave a full furrow, and they just spin it back in, and then at the end you've got a roller just to consolidate it all.
And what does that flatten it out? Just nice for drilling then?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, caps it a bit and just weatherproofs it a bit.
Yeah. And what's the thing on the back here?
That is a seed driller for small seeds, so oilseed rake, something like that. That'll drill it.
Well, you're blowing afterwards then or something?
Yeah, you put it in here, and then you plug it into there, and then this should be attached to here, and the air blows it through out of these pipes. It just drops it in front of the roller.
Blimey. So one tool does everything?
It is, yeah, it is. But
you're not doing that today? The reason behind that?
Because I don't know if you can see in the distance there, Adam's with the Väderstad
Hold on, let's just
rapid drill.
zoom in a bit. Yeah, got him.
Yeah, he is drilling with the rake.
So he's following you behind, is
he?
He
is, yeah. It's a better drill than this, if this.
Perhaps I'll have a part 2 and we catch your brother.
Yeah, fair
drilling.
play.
That'd be good. Does he like a chat?
Oh, well, yeah, he's known for a chat.
Oh, well, that's good job. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.
No
Bill.
worries, no worries.
And I should stick the GoPro on the cultivator.
Yep,
and let's see how we go.
Yep, all right, no worries.
See you in a little while. Cheers. Well, there you go, finished now. Nice video of Bill cultivating. Hope you enjoyed it. So, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really do me the channel a favour. If you do nothing else, just give me a thumbs up. It'd be appreciated. And come back and see me another time. Thanks for coming on my journeys. Cheerio for now.